Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Choice watch, and I'm gonna show you how to soft reset this watch, basically restart. So to restart this watch, we need to press and hold the side button and keep holding it until the menu appears on the screen. It should take about maybe 3-4 seconds. And once the menu appears, you will see the restart option. And once you see it, tap on it and the watch will reboot. And as you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you soft reset this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.